Okay, in this demo I'd like to demonstrate the new Raise Your Hands feature available within Teams. For this demo I've created a conference with 3 participants, myself over here, another internal guest over here, and an external guest party over here. So we'll choose the external guest. If you hit the button there, raise your hands, you'll notice that all other participants have been made aware that this person, the external guest, wishes to raise a question. By clicking on the Show Participants, you can also see the icon appear there. You can have multiple people raise their hands. Teams automatically keeps track of the order in which the hands were raised, as you can see here. So as we remember, the first external guest was the first one to raise his hand, then the second person over here. There is also the feature to lower hand. This feature is only available for the owner of the meeting and the person who raised his hands. You cannot raise or lower the hands of someone else unless you're the owner of the meeting. Okay, thank you.